Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with my very first unboxing of 2021. It is actually from Tears Beauty, and these products they actually launched last year, but I've just not had the funds to get them. Wow, and just look at this box of goodness, absolutely stunning already. Now these are the glitter acrylics from Tears Beauty, like I say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox them with you. And the first one we got is Purple Paradise. We've got Mystique. Dynamite, Icicle, Diamond, Black Ice, Cobalt, Orion, Pink Prosecco, Fire Opal, Dazzle, Bewitched, Azure Crush, Copper Jewel, Fire and Ice, Lux, another layer, got Opal Dream, Wisteria Crush, Sublime, Paradise, Temptation, Mirage, Coral Bay, Ruby Slippers, Silver Lining, Twilight, Amethyst Surprise, Pacific Blue, Sea Breeze, Rose Quartz, Shimmering Sunset, Diva, Decadence, smashed pumpkin, passion, jazzberry, frosty, emerald delight, bonbon, pink ice. So that for the glitter acrylics. I've also got another naked kohl powder. This is stunning. If you're looking for a really good ombre powder or cover powder, this is the one to buy. It's fantastic. And then I fell this out of the packaging because I just don't want to make too much noise, and then I'll show you. So I fell in love with this brush as soon as I saw it. I really do like my unicorn brush, but I just feel like this is a little bit more grown up, and oh gosh, it does feel so soft. Plus it's going to sit in my room lovely, because like, I know a lot of people have a multicoloured bristles, but I don't really like the multicoloured bristles. I like it being just one colour, and this is just stunning. And I think this was like £7, so I'm really pleased with that. I can't explain how soft and beautiful that feels. So that's going to look lovely on my desk. And then the last thing in here is some monomer. Oh yeah, this is the monomer I use, the Tears Beauty one. And just in case you're not aware, you can actually get 10% discount using Dizzy10. I'll leave the code in the description box and you'll get 10% off your order. So this is my haul, guys. I hope you liked it. I will do another video doing all the swatches of all these luscious glitters, but it would take me a while, so that's why I just want to get this video unboxing up, and then I will put that one up if you're interested. So keep your eye out and click the bell or subscribe or whatever that you want to do. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.